You ever wake up and feel like your body's lagging behind your mind? Your energy is drained before you even left your bed? Not from sleep, but from disconnection. We're about to fix that. One breath, one movement at a time. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Hold, breathe, brace your core. This isn't just a balance challenge, it's a stability reminder. I promise, this move activates your deep core and spine stabilizes, preparing your body to move with power instead of tension. Beginners, tap your hand and foot down between reps. Advanced stretches, hover and hold stillness for 3 to 5 seconds. If your core doesn't fire early in the day, your spine overcompensates all day. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just lit up your deep core. Now let's test it out on the other side. Left arm forward, right leg back. Long line from fingertips to toes. You're not just reaching, you're reconnecting. This side might feel shakier, and that's exactly why it matters. I promise, retraining your brain-body connection like this sharpens balance, posture, and control. Beginners, keep your toes close to the floor. Advanced stretches, try small pulses at the top, slow and steady. Do you feel your abs turning on without crunching or straining? If not, pause and refocus your breath into the belly. Hold for 5, 4, 3, Now let's shift from control to activation. Stay on all fours, brace your core, lift your right knee out to the side. Pause, lower with control. You've seen this move before, but how you do it now will change everything. I promise, this targets your glute medius, the forgotten hip stabilizer, and supports your lower back and knees long term. Beginners, keep the range small. Advanced stretches, add a 1-second hold at the top with 0 momentum. Weak glutes are one of the top causes of lower back pain and poor balance. Stay with it. Can you make this last rep your most intentional? And that just turned on your hips. Now let's balance it out. Left leg now. Keep your spine neutral and core tight. This side might feel less responsive, but it's still your responsibility to show up with intention. We're not here for the burn. We're here for the alignment that comes after it. I promise, when both glutes activate evenly, your whole body moves with less tension and more freedom. Beginners, move slower and really focus on squeezing at the top. Advanced stretches, add a mini pulse and don't let your body rock. Can you stay perfectly still through your shoulders while the leg moves? Now we shift from tension to flow. Lie on your back, feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the sky. Squeeze the glutes at the top, then lower slowly. This is where control meets power. I promise, this movement builds posterior chain strength, opens up the hips, and sets the tone for your whole day. Beginners, start with smaller lifts and don't rush. Advanced stretches, try single leg bridges, alternating every rep. Can you get 10 full reps? No momentum, just breath and control? Feel that fire. That's your engine turning on. Now hold the last one. 5 more seconds. You just rebuilt your foundation. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your 3-day reset. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.